Hello, Jonathan. Hello, Aiden. Give him an Abigail to join. Good morning, Abigail again. How was all of your breaks? Hey, Miss Manate.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Great. This means I made some hand sanitizer on my own.
Okay.
Would you like some?
Sure.
Yeah, with the fresh apple, I made it and then gave it to the people because you cannot order. I ordered it online, like a small bottle, 50 milliliters, $12.
Wow.
$12 plus delivery. I thought it's gonna be next day delivery, but it looks like on May 7th.
That's not going to help you right now.
So I get the order, and one of my friends, he's a doctor. He got me like 2 small bottles of spirit, 98%, and I got the fresh aloe, glycerin, peroxide, which is very good. But you have to shake it because it's a fresh aloe. I couldn't find the gel nowhere in the stores.
Okay.
So I'm gonna bring it tomorrow, right? I can buy it picking up all the stuff.
Yes. So just text me what time that you're stopping by so that I can also be here at the same time.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Sounds good. You're welcome. Thank you. Oh, is that ice cream that I seen?
What?
Was that ice cream that I seen?
No.
No?
Like, we choose the one to which you can have the junk food.
Okay.
So, because like sometimes people in the school ordering the hot dog or something's missing the stuff, and right now I'm almost I work from home, so I cook a lot and didn't have that much stuff. But I went out and I got the macaroni and cheese. I'm trying to manage. I had macaroni and cheese, and I made it fresh bacon juice.
Nice.
And like some junk, a little bit healthy stuff.
Sounds good.
All right.
Yep.
Tomorrow.
See you.
Gotcha.
Okay. Yep.
All right.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So we're looking at page 241. 241. So again, we're going to talk a little bit about scale drawing, and hopefully got a board that we can see it on better. And maybe I won't need to make it so big. So remember, when we look at scale drawing, we always want to look at the scale first. After those cats coming to learn about scale drawing. So my scale says that 1 inch equals 1 mile. Okay? So let's look at, I'm not even going to draw it, I'm just going to talk through it because it's crazy. So, I want to go from the insurance company to the furniture store. So remember, I need to start at the insurance company and go to the furniture store. So the Trust Insurance Company up to Ross's furniture store. You know what? Actually, that's a skip number 1 because, again, their answers don't match what is there. Let's skip number 1. Let's skip number 2. Aiden. And number 2, yes. Yes. I'm measuring at 1 inch, and my answer say 1.5. So I have no clue why they did that to us, but it's again messed up. So Yeah, mine's only saying 1. So if you want to do it later, you can. But nope, number 1, number 2. Okay, that's fine. It's not gonna hurt to do it.
You know what I did for the last presentation?
What?
Number 2, lollipop from the cat.
Oh, cool.
Remember, we saw that on the
Okay, so let's look at this one, number 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at my 8. Can 8 be divided by 63? No. So I'm going to put a 0, cross it out, move over to 89. 89 divided by 63. Can I do that? Yes. So outside number 8 by outside number 6. 8 divided by 6 equals, hold up your finger for an answer. Make sure that you can see your finger being held up. Because if you can't see it in the screen, I can't see it. So 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 6 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Is 26 smaller than 63? Yes. So let's bring down my 2. So 262 divided by 63. So outside number by outside number. Can 2 be divided by 6? No. So I move over to the 26. 26 divided by 6. Hold up on your fingers the answer. 26 divided by 6. I'm seeing no answers. Oh, I see Aiden's answer. See anybody else's answer? I see Athendale's answer. Jonathan, what's your answer? Is your thumb in or out, Jonathan? Out. So actually, Aiden would be right. 26 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals 12. Put my 2 down, carry my 1. 4 times 6 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. And then I'm going to subtract. 2 minus 2 equals 0. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Can you see this board better than my other one? Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using for math at least. Okay, so 10 smaller than 63. So I'm going to bring down my 4. 104 divided by 63. Can I divide 1 by 6? No. Can I divide 10 by 6? Yes. 10 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 6 equals 6. And then I subtract. 4 minus 3 equals 1. I can't do 0 minus 6, so I borrow from the 1, make it a 0, make my 0 a 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Is 41 smaller than 63? Yes, so my remainder is 41. Okay? So that's what my answer should look like. Don't worry about the checking. Okay? So we are going to do number 3, divide, cross out the check. Divide, cross out the check. Let's go to the back page. Okay, number 4, follow the sign. No. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Go ahead.
Were we supposed to copy it?
You should have. You should have been working it as I was working it.
Okay.
So which means you're going to have to work it on your own since my whiteboard is now empty.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, so let's look at number 5. Victoria made 7 gallons of punch for Parents' Day at Lincoln Christian School. How many pints did she make? So that is how that problem should be set up. 7 gallons equals how many pints? So I'm going to copy what they are asking me. Box the one that's different. And then work the box. So copy what they are asking me. How many pints equals how many pints? Box the one that's different. And then work the box. 1, 2, 3. I'm going from gallons to pints. I'm going from larger to smaller. I multiply. Then I find my special number. How many gallons how many pints are in my gallon? Well, if there's 4 quarts in a gallon, okay, and there's 2 pints in a quart, 4 times 2 equals 8. So my special number would actually be 8. That one was actually a double step. I should have changed from gallons to quarts and then gallons to pints. But I can also do it this way as long as I remember that I need to multiply my pints to make them quarts also. So 7 times 8 equals 56. So my answer should be 56. There you go. My top one's clear. Yep. I just threw my eraser onto the floor. Okay, so let's look at our next story problem. Gus took $25 to spend at the zoo. It cost him $8.75 to get in. He spent $14.58 on rides and food. How much money did Gus bring home? So that is how it should be set up. He started with $25. He spent $8.75 to get in. He spent $14.58 on food. How much did he bring home? I would need to subtract it. So add the parentheses first, add the $8.75 and the $14.58, and then subtract it from the 25. So make sure you at least copy this so you know how to work that problem later. Okay, so number 6. Multiply and check. Cross out the check. Let's review how to multiply these. So, when I multiply these, I take my number in the ones place and multiply it by every number up top. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 8 equals 16. Put my 6 down, carry my 1. 2 times 6 equals 12. Plus 1 equals 13. Cross out my 2 and put 1, 0. Move over to the 0. Now, what I can do, let's do it this way. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. Cross out my 0, put 2 zeros. 3, then I move over to the 3. 3 times 4 equals 12. Put my 2 down, carry my 1. 3 times 8 equals 24 plus 1 equals 25. My 5 down, carry my 2. 3 times 6 equals 18 plus 2 equals 1. So 8 plus 0 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 0 plus 0 equals 6. 3 plus 0 plus 2 equals 5. 1 plus 0 plus 5 equals 6. 0, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, comma. Any questions on how to do those? Okay, cross out number 7. So we're crossing out number 1. We're crossing out number 2. We're doing number 3. We're doing number 4. We're doing number 5. We're doing number 6. We're crossing out number 7 and number 8. Okay, any questions? Jonathan. Better? Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to quietly work on the one that told you to work on. If you have a question, raise your hand. Stay on until I end the class. Okay? That gives you time to work it. And if you have a question or working one, it gives me a little bit of time to help you. After done.
Before you end the class, I want to ask Jonathan a question. Like before, because we're gonna have a 30-minute break after this.
Okay, we'll see.
It's just a simple, yeah, it's just a simple question. I'm not asking anything hard, just like 2 words.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to sign off. I will get after.
Okay, Jay, okay, can I ask Jonathan a question?
Yes.
Okay, JJ,
I don't have him unmuted, so you're not going to hear his response right yet.
okay,